डॉक्टर साहब, आप इंडिया भी जाते हैं, पाकिस्तान में भी आपके बहुत सारे मुशायरे होते हैं, हमें थोड़ा सा बताएं, what are those three things that India has and Pakistan doesn't have, and those three things जो पाकिस्तान में हैं और इंडिया में नहीं?
इंडिया में मजमा जो है वो बहुत बड़ा होता है, लाखों में होता है, और लोग आपकी पजीराई काफ़ी ज़्यादा करते हैं, और उन लोग जो है आपको कई बार ये नहीं कि हमको ज़रूरत है किसी चीज़ की, लेकिन वो आपको कई बार जो है मुँह मांगे आपको पैसे भी देते हैं। ये तीनों चीज़ें जो है मतलब पाकिस्तान में उनमें उसकी कमी है। तो वो लोग समझते हैं कि आप खुद आए, आप अपने पैसे पे आएँ, आप अपने टिकट पे आएँ, अपना वो सब सारा खर्चा करें। हाँ, ये कि यहाँ पे आते हैं तो हमको हमसे अच्छे तरह से मिलते हैं, मिलनसार हैं, हमको यहाँ का एकोमोडेशन और खाने उसमें तो है वो लोग, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें जो है मतलब हमको खुद को अपनी तरफ से करना पड़ता है। तो ये फ़र्क है।
और पाकिस्तान में वो तीन
ये पाकिस्तान का तो बता रहा हूँ मैं, पाकिस्तान में कई तो बता रहा हूँ मैं, मतलब ये फ़र्क है ना कि उधर वो आपकी पज़ारी ज़्यादा करते हैं, बल्कि करते थे, इसलिए कि जो है ये कोरोना के बाद जो है ना, अब दोनों तरफ से जो है मतलब बिल्कुल ही लोग ठंडा पड़ गए हैं। अब जो है मतलब उस तरह की मतलब वो पजीराई नहीं कर रहे हैं वो।
आपको क्या लगता है कि कोविड-19 के बाद कैसा चेंज आया दुनिया में कि पजीराई नहीं हो?
वो लोगों को बहुत नुकसान हो गया है, लोगों को बहुत चीज़ों से नुकसान हो गया, ख़ासकर जो है माली नुकसान बहुत ज़बरदस्त हो गया है, जिसके वजह से लोग अब वो इतना पैसा नहीं लगा सकते और नहीं लगाते हैं, ना आपको जो है स्पॉन्सर करने के लिए और ना जो है एडवर्टाइजमेंट देने के लिए, ना वो जो मुजल्ला निकलता है उसके लिए देने के लिए। तो इस तरह से जो है मतलब जब फंड्स कम हो गए हैं तो ज़ाहिर आप पजीराई भी कभी करेंगे।
Dubai and UAE have become the center of the world in the last 15 years. They're one of the biggest tourist attractions. Most of the world's tourism goes at least one time in their life in the UAE, especially Dubai. How has Dubai and the UAE been able to achieve this milestone in just the last 15 years?
Because our government and our sheikhs and all, they are very, very nice people. They are very pious and they are very nice. They take care of everybody, not only us locals, but they are taking care of even people from outside also. And this attitude, which is helping others all the time, is one of the things which has really helped us to reach the top of the world. So, and also everything is available in our country, which is comparable to Europe and USA.
Even better sometimes.
Yes, it is definitely. So, because the standard of living is high, and the morality and the things which are being done over there, the government is really doing a lot for everybody. Everybody is happy with them. They are doing a tremendous job. And because of that only we have pulled forward. If the government doesn't take interest in its people, it doesn't do anything for the people. It causes problems for the nationals who are staying there. How can a country prosper?
You've lived in Dubai all your life. Which is your favorite tourist attraction or your weekend attraction?
There are so many places actually. There are hilly stations. There are hilly places like Khurfa Khan, and there is this Fujairah, Al Ain.
I never knew that Dubai also had hilly places.
Yes, of course. We have hilly places, and there are hilly stations. So you can very easily go to these places also. Of course, everything. The malls are they are so modern. They are just like, as I said, it's just like Europe. It's as if you have come to Europe. Even now, there are many things which are now being changed to Europe style.
What can the rest of the world learn from the UAE and Dubai?
This is exactly what I'm telling you. That you start doing things for your nationals, not only for the country, for the nationals. keep on spending money in modernizing your cities, you will become, you will reach the top. You will definitely reach the top if you do all this. So this is it, that you have to be not only think of your own self, but think of the whole country and your countrymen, and also others. So this is it. Everybody can live in peace over there. I think about 144 nationalities are living in harmony in UAE. Can you imagine that? 144 nationalities are living there. And there is never any problem, there is never any such thing. Everybody are happy.